Here it is, the box. It's a CaseCube, right? CaseCube. I'll put my glasses on so I can see. CaseCube 2K Quad HD webcam. Let's put this. All right, this is the same thing I'm actually using right now. And let's open this up. First time. Come on now. Okay, we'll just peel it. Unboxing 101. That's the peel part right there. All right, ready? I'm opening. Nice, huh? Nice presentation. CaseCube. Look at the logo. And there it is. There's a documentation. Push here to open, push here to close. I'll show you what it means. And plug and play. It's totally plug and play. And a couple instructions. Now, here's the camera. It's a very good looking camera, by the way. Very, very good looking camera. I hope you can see it. This is the foam part. All right, this is the camera. Okay, so how small it is. You can either tripod, screw it, or you can put on top of the. Hold on a second. Top of the laptop or monitor. All right, put this on the side for a second. Actually, right here so I can see it right there. Now, inside the box, there's some more materials in there. USB to USB-C connector. USB to USB-C connector. And this is a nice touch, by the way. Remember, this is $32. Now it's $34, and it's going up. This is the most interesting part. It comes with a tripod. It's a like a metal. It comes with a tripod. What can I say? It's a quality tripod. It's rubber. It's nice. Now I have two. I will be putting back like I never opened, except the seal part. Let me show you. This is the the LED. You can push on top, start and stop, and if you push this back, it locks and actually closes the lens. Watch the lens. Opens up, closes, opens up, closes. So it gives you a little privacy. And you're watching right now, same camera, which is pretty darn good. Let's put everything in the bag. After a few seconds, I managed to put it back as it was. The manual, and then close it. It's going to stay, for now, it's going to stay as a backup in the box. Unboxing and reboxing. Rebox. Really, really, really good webcam if you want something cheapo. It's still up. Let's see how much it is now. It was $32. Now it is 34. It's gonna go up. When the reviews get higher and higher, it's gonna go up.